Good morning, guys. Welcome to another video. And right now, I am here at a zoo. So, this is a very special day because it's a Sunday. I hope you all will be doing very well. So, I'm gonna show you this zoo in Wuhu. It's really nice zoo. I haven't been here before. It's also my first time, but I have heard about this. Is really nice. So, as I will see this and hopefully you will also enjoy this, and you can see the crowd is very high number of crowd here today because today is Sunday. So you can see all around here people are walking here, some are going outside and some coming inside, so they are enjoying because a zoo and it's a Sunday. Viewers, as you can see, we enter to the park, and this park named Jishan Park, and it exists in the city Wuhu, and Wuhu is the city of the Anhui province, and the distance between Wuhu and the Beijing is 1185 kilometers. There is two lakes in this park, and you can see this lakes is very beautiful, and after that another one lake, and people came out to play here and with their families, and some another kind of things available here for enjoyment, and like especially families come out here with their children and with their other friends. Look at that, guys. I also want to drive this. Oh my god, so beautiful. I can't believe this. Look at that. Oh, so beauty. Oh, so like it's really beautiful place, and the sun is also like little bit rising, and you can see like a sound in this, like so really amazing place. And this is my first time here, and it's really nice day, and I hope when you people see this video, so you would like to visit here. It's a really nice place for visit, and you can come here, you can enjoy a lot of things here, and you can see the lake and many other things are also here. I will show you. Finish the park, after that you will enter to the zoo. So the zoo entry fees is like a $3. So as you take the entry fees and entry card, after that you will enter to the zoo. So in the zoo you will see different animals and different kind of birds, and like it's so attractive and so loving animals. You can see in the animal, you can see bear is so famous in this zoo, and is so big in the size. People threw some foods to him and they catch, and the people enjoy this, especially kids love this and they really like it. And as I saw these bears, so like it's so heavy and so big in the size, and I have never seen a big sizes bear like that. So like it's really strange for me also. It's like it's so biggest in the size.
and you can see these lions, the tigers is also so beautiful and so dangerous, and it's covered by glasses, and it's like some really amazing lions are here in the zoo. So it's also so like attractive and so loving, and I really enjoyed to see them, and many people come to see them. It's really like a very heavy and so beautiful lions, tiger, and these lions. So it's really beautiful to watch it, and so amazing. And different kind of bird species are here, and it's also colorful, and the nature of creation of the god is really beautiful. Special thing in this park and zoo is the waterfall. This waterfall is how much is this beautiful. You cannot imagine this. Look at that. It is really beautiful, and it is not unnatural. It is artificial, but how they made it.
Okay guys, so let's see. I just have some fun cycling here inside the university. Okay, because of little bit fun. It's like it's about evening, and my today vlog will be in with this video. So guys, today was very busy day, and it was so nice day because we enjoyed a lot at park and the zoo. and right now I'm inside the university and in a in a garden. So you can see, woo, like by cycling in one hand, and like it's so dangerous and so difficult. But what can we do? For fans we can do each and everything. Guys, hopefully you will like this video, and if you like this video, so please subscribe my channel and like my videos, thumbs up, smash the like button, and never forget to watch my videos, because this guy is bringing a very nice videos for you in the future, because I'm a new vlogger, so every vloggers need a support. Oh, so okay guys, I hope you will support me, and why not support your brother and your friend. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, see you tomorrow in new vlog. So today was very nice day, and it's a really nice time to finish the vlog. Bye bye guys, let me stop the cycle and say you bye bye to you. Bye bye, good night, see you tomorrow.